Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to have some fun installing some much needed ambient lighting here on our 2021 Ford Bronco. Our kit consists of 7 LED zones, so you're going to have 2 here on your front and passenger side, and then you're going to have 2 rear zones, plus you're going to have a zone for center console lighting. Alright, so not only does it give you great functional light, but it looks fantastic on the truck. It gives you full RGB control over the color spectrum. It's got some custom lighting modes, plus it's got audio detection, so it can sync the colors of your ambient lighting with the music that you're playing. It's a fantastic kit, it's weatherproof, it's easy to install, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. Before we jump into it, please take a quick second to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps other Ford owners just like you find our content. Thanks, we really appreciate your support.
First, let's go ahead and connect our power connector. Pull down on the plastic trim panel under your steering wheel to release the cover. Then, remove the fuse in fuse slot 2 using some pliers or a similar tool. Then, insert the fuse into the open slot of our custom fuse tap connector. Make sure it is pressed in fully. Now install the fuse tap back into the same number 2 slot. Next, use a 5/16 socket or wrench to remove the bolt located under the steering wheel and connect our ground terminal ring connected to the black wire onto the bolt and reinstall. Now we can tuck the excess wire behind our dash. Next, let's go ahead and lay out our zones for the Bronco. Your shortest 2 zones in terms of wire length will be for under your driver's seat. The next longest zone will be for your center console light. Your 3rd and 4th longest wires will be for your driver's side under dash and the rear of your passenger seat. Your 2nd longest wire will be for the front of your passenger seat. And lastly, the longest wire will be for your passenger side front dash. Once you have them laid out, it is very helpful to label them with some painter's tape or something similar. Now run your power block to the back of the seat to the front and keep your main terminal bundle under the front driver's seat. We can install our first lighting zone under the front driver's seat, using the adhesive backing to secure the light to the support and the included zip ties to secure it in place. Next, let's install the rear zone lighting under the front driver's seat. Remove the adhesive covering and run the strip under the stretch bands located in this area. Then stick the light to the plastic surface under the seat. Next, we can install our center console lighting. Apply pressure using a flathead screwdriver or similar pry tool to separate the center console trim and tuck your wire inside. Then apply the lighting inside of the center console. Next, let's run our 3 passenger zones underneath the center console to underneath the passenger seat. The installation of the rear passenger light and front passenger light zones will mimic exactly what we just did on the driver's side. For our under-dash passenger light, use the included surface promotion wipes to ensure a clean mounting area. After allowing to dry, firmly press the light into place using the adhesive backing. Now use the included silicone and gloves to apply a thin bead of silicone around the edges of the strip to further strengthen the bond. Then hide any extra wires under the plastic trim of the Bronco. Now repeat this process for the front driver's side under dash light as well. We can now plug in and mount our audio receiver and power distribution block to the Bronco as shown. Use the included 3M adhesive first, followed by the 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure all loose wiring is tucked away and hidden. Then remove the plastic battery insert on your remote control.
So that's all there is to installing our 7-zone LED ambient lighting kit on your 2021 and up Ford Bronco. It's a great kit, we highly recommend it. You can check it out at f150leds.com where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford Bronco. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button below and we'll see you at f150leds.com soon. Thanks guys.